Hello. When it comes to an IDE for web development, PHP-Storm is probably the best choice. However, I see people here and there complaining that it's very slow, they can't run it, and they really can't do much about it. Today I'm gonna show you 5 ways to improve your PHP-Storm performance. So, first one is VM options. As any Java-based IDE, PHP-Storm is running in its virtual Java machine, and it ships with an options for this machine. You can find it in Help, Custom VM Options. Here you can find settings for Java machine. The first pair of options is XMS and XMX. Consider it as the minimum and maximum amount of memory available to your PHP-Storm. If you have a modern hardware and PHP-Storm is still lagging on your machine, you can try to bump up the second parameter, XMX, and give more memory to the Java machine. And here are 2 lines of my own. Use System AA font settings LCD tells Java machine to use normal anti-aliasing for your fonts. And the last line indicates that Java machine should use OpenGL acceleration. When it's set to true, scrolling is much better. Okay, the next feature is language injections. You may find it under the editor, language injections. This is probably the most slow part of PHP-Storm. You can uncheck unnecessary injections if you don't need it, and it bumps up your performance significantly. So I would recommend you to play around and turn off unnecessary injections if you don't need it. The second thing is inspections. Well, after every single keystroke there is 100 of different inspections that are running every time you press the key. And there may be some inspections you even don't know about. So I would recommend you to uncheck the unused inspections, uncheck the inspections you don't need. You may even uncheck them all and turn on as you need it. If you don't want to uncheck the inspections and still want a fast and reliable IDE, there is one more option I want to show you. It's called Power Save Mode. You can find it under the File menu. When you turn on Power Save Mode, it bumps up PHP-Storm's performance to the sky. Now the editor is very fast. It's almost like Sublime. On my hardware it makes PHP-Storm work twice faster as a very minimum. The thing is, it disables all inspections, language injections, and auto-completion works different. Now when you type something, you don't get the auto-completion automatically. You need to trigger it. It is done with Control Space by default, and now you get the auto-completion. But every time you need it, you must press the key. I find this option very useful, and the best part, the IDE is no more slow. There is one more thing about Power Save Mode. When you are in the Power Save mode and you open some file, you may notice that it's not highlighting your code anymore. To turn on highlighting, you simply turn off Power Save Mode. And once you get this rendered, you turn Power Save Mode once again on. If you don't want to do that manually, you can assign a shortcut. To do this, you just simply open Settings and type Power Save Mode. Under the key map, you can find Power Save Mode and assign a shortcut. So now when you need it, you just open a file, press the key, and press it once again. And one more thing you should probably do is exclude unnecessary folders from your project. The most slow thing in PHP-Storm is the indexation. By default, it indexes every single folder and file in your project, and if you don't really need tons of node modules, folders with pictures, caches indexed, you may want to exclude that. To do this, press right mouse button, mark directory as excluded. Here is the Laravel-based project I work on, and I immediately excluded Node modules. Also, I love to exclude from my project the storage directory, where I have compiled views, sessions, cache, and things that really I don't want in my autocompletion. If you are working mostly with PHP and don't need lots of front-end, you may also want to exclude Bower components, at least temporarily. Using these 5 techniques, you may bump up your PHP Storm performance and make it 2 or 3 or even 5 times faster than usual.